Hey guys, we received this Poetic Guardian MacPro case for Google Pixel 9 for test and try. So this is for a 6.3 inches compatible with MagSafe and Fingerprint ID. So it's a full body shockproof clear cover with built-in screen protector. So as you can see, comes with like the screen, cleaning kit and everything. So there are basically two adjustment here. So this is the main cover. Let me just take out everything first. So you can see like you have to just take out this top cover and this one is the inbuilt with a screen protector. So either you can use it with the screen protector top or without the screen protector top. So you have to take this out from this corner one and then you can choose whatever the way you want to use it. So I'm just cleaning up using this supplied screen cleaning thing. So there's a soft cloth, the wet cloth and the wipe. So once this is all closed, you can just put it on this screen. So once it's all clean, you can just put in, so the phone fits really well in the case. And then you can just put in the back side. So when you put in the back, just be sure. So once everything is in place, remove all this protective covering, and then this is good to use. So fingerprinting, side buttons, volume button, everything is working good. Everything fits well. This is MagSafe charging. You can see start charging when you put it on a wireless charger. So this is pretty good design for the case, and this also works really nice with the MagSafe and the fingerprinting.